Hey Pitmasters, what is up? Today we're gonna make Chinese pork belly barbecue style. We are going to start by creating our marinade. For that we're going to need 50 milliliters of soy sauce, 100 grams of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of cane sugar and 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. Mix that up. That is definitely sweet. I have this beautiful cut of Iberico pork belly. I'm going to take off the skin part. And then, like saltbea, throw it away. The good thing about that Chinese barbecue is that the outside is crispy and sweet. So we're going to cut this up into 3 pieces and maximize our surface. Look at that, that's going to be tasty. So we'll take a ziploc bag. We're going to put in these cuts of pork belly. And then we're going to add our marinade. Make sure that the marinade gets everywhere, all over that pork belly. And then squeeze it down, roll it up, press out the air, and tie up that ziploc. And this goes into the fridge for at least 3 hours, but preferably overnight. Our pork belly has been in the fridge for 4 hours. Time to fire up our barbecue. We'll put some of this beautiful Kamado big block in the barbecue. We set up our barbecue to roast over indirect heat, and we're going to set the temperature between 140 and 160 degrees Celsius. Time to take the pork belly out of the fridge and put it on the grill. Look at that. They gained a nice bit of color. Place the cuts of pork belly over indirect heat. And now we let them roast. For a bit of barbecue flavor, we're going to add some wood chips. These are cherry wood chips that are soaked in water. 2 handsful will do the job. So we'll close the lid and let the pork belly smoke. There's a lot of fat on our pork belly and we'll want something to balance that out. So we're going to make a salad which is really sour. For our salad we're going to chop some carrots. We're also going to cut some cucumbers to the end. We're going to slice a red onion. We'll put this all together in a bowl. And we're going to add some rice wine vinegar to that. We'll add a little bit of black pepper to that. And a little bit of salt. Wow, look at these pork bellies. We've reached the core temperature of around 60 degrees Celsius. Now we want to crank up the temperature in the barbecue and get some of that roast on the outside. Let's take a look. Wow. This is exactly what we're looking for. We got a nice bit of caramelization on the outside. Now we want to brush on our marinade. The marinade was with our pork in the fridge, so of course we got to give it a little bit of time to kill all the bacteria. We got a nice sandwich here to go with our pork roast. As you can see, the vegetables have turned soft. Our carrots are really soft now. Nice and sour, that will balance out the fat of the pork perfect. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Let's take one off the grill. Look at those colors. We got a nice mahogany color from the smoke. Then we got a nice bit of color from roasting. This is gonna taste amazing. Let's give one of those a quick try, right? Oh. This tastes like sweet roasted bacon. Absolutely amazing. Let's put it on the bun. Time to bite into this beautiful creation. This is going to be a Conda style again. Look at that. That's just enormous. Wow, that is absolutely a dream of a flavor combination. The pork belly turned into bacon with the sweetness and the barbecue flavors. Then the sour of the salad. Man, it's amazing. You guys gotta give this recipe a try. I know I say it every time, but this time you gotta believe me. Try it. If you guys enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. If you want to support us, hit that sponsor button, and I hope to see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk!